Hey everyone, welcome to Health on Hand YouTube channel. You need to watch this if you struggle with feeling tired all the time. Ever noticed how everything feels worse when you're tired? Like that traffic jam is just a little more annoying, or that to-do list feels insurmountable? You're not imagining it. Missed sleep doesn't just leave you groggy, it literally rewires your brain, impacting how you think, feel, and handle basically everything life throws at you. We all know we prioritize sleep, but today we're going beyond that. We're diving deep into the science behind quality sleep is non-negotiable for your mental well-being. Think of it like this. Sleep is the foundation for a strong, resilient mind. So if you're ready to unlock your mental health superpower, stick around. Let's dive in. Let's talk about emotional resilience, that inner strength that helps you bounce back from challenges. It's that quality that allows you to face adversity head-on and come out stronger on the other side. We all face setbacks, disappointments, and stressful situations. It's a part of life. These moments can be tough, but they are also opportunities for growth and learning. But how you recover from those moments, how quickly you can dust yourself off and keep going, that's where sleep comes in. A good night's sleep can make all the difference in your ability to bounce back. Think of quality sleep as building an emotional suit of armor. Each night of restful sleep adds another layer of protection, making you more resilient to the stresses of daily life. When you're well rested, you're literally better equipped to handle whatever curveballs life throws your way. Your mind is sharper, your mood is more stable, and your reactions are more measured. Studies have shown that people who consistently get enough sleep recover from emotional setbacks about 30% faster than those who are sleep deprived. That's huge. Imagine being able to bounce back from a bad day almost a third faster. Why is that? Well, during those precious hours of sleep, your brain is hard at work processing emotions, consolidating memories, and regulating hormones. It's a complex and vital process that sets you up for success. It's like hitting the reset button on your emotional state. Each morning you wake up with a clean slate, ready to tackle the day's challenges. When you skimp on sleep, you're robbing your brain of that crucial downtime. You're essentially short-circuiting your emotional resilience. It's like trying to run a marathon without giving your body a chance to rest and repair. You might be able to push through for a while, but eventually, your body will demand rest. You might be able to push through for a while, but eventually, you're going to hit a wall. And when that happens, recovery becomes even more challenging. So, if you're feeling emotionally drained, easily overwhelmed, or like you're constantly on edge, take a good, hard look at your sleep habits. Are you giving yourself the rest you need to be at your best? Improving your sleep quality could be the key to unlocking greater emotional resilience and navigating life's challenges with more grace and ease. So, prioritize your sleep and watch your resilience grow. We all know that feeling down, anxious, or struggling with our mood can seriously disrupt sleep. But here's the thing, it's not a one-way street. While poor sleep is often a symptom of mental health struggles like anxiety and depression, it's also a major contributing factor. It becomes a bit of a chicken and egg situation. Are you struggling to sleep because you're feeling anxious, or are you feeling anxious because you're not sleeping well? The truth is, it can be a vicious cycle, with one feeding into the other. Here's where the science gets really interesting. Research has shown a strong link between chronic sleep deprivation and increased inflammation throughout the body. And guess what? Inflammation plays a significant role in mood disorders like depression and anxiety. So by prioritizing consistent quality sleep, you're not just giving your mind a break, you're also helping to regulate your body's inflammatory response, which can have a profound impact on your overall mental well-being. Now, I'm not saying that good sleep alone is a cure-all for mental health challenges, but it's a powerful tool, a fundamental pillar of a healthy mind. It's like building a house on a solid foundation. Without it, everything else becomes unstable. From foggy to focused, sleep supercharges your brain. Have you ever felt like your brain is running on fumes, struggling to focus, be creative, or make even simple decisions? It's a common experience, especially in our fast-paced world. We've all been there, and it's often directly related to our sleep. Lack of sleep can leave us feeling drained and unable to perform at our best. Think of your brain like a smartphone. Just as your phone needs to be charged, your brain needs rest to function properly. You can use it throughout the day, but eventually that battery life starts to dwindle. Without recharging, it won't last long. You need to plug it in, recharge it overnight to have it function at its best. This is exactly what sleep does for your brain. Sleep is like that charger for your brain. It rejuvenates and restores your mental energy. When you get enough sleep, your brain can operate on a full battery. You wake up feeling refreshed and ready to tackle the day. You're sharper, more alert, and able to process information efficiently. Your productivity and creativity soar. You know that feeling when you wake up after a truly restful night's sleep and everything just seems clearer? It's like a fog has lifted. That's your brain thanking you for giving it the time it needed to recharge. It's a powerful reminder of the importance of sleep. On the flip side, when you're sleep deprived, it's like trying to run that smartphone on 10% battery. It's a struggle to keep going. Everything slows down, the screen gets laggy, and you're more prone to glitches. Your brain simply can't keep up. Your thinking becomes cloudy, your reaction time slows, and you might find yourself making poor decisions or struggling to remember things. It's a frustrating experience. So if you want to unlock your full cognitive potential, prioritize sleep. Make it a non-negotiable part of your routine. It's the fuel your brain needs to function at its best, allowing you to focus, create, and navigate the demands of your day with clarity and confidence. Embrace the power of sleep and watch your brain thrive. Stress, less how sleep tames the cortisol monster. Let's talk about stress, that ever-present feeling of being overwhelmed, on edge, and like you're constantly playing catch-up. We all experience stress, but chronic stress can wreak havoc on our mental and physical health. And guess what plays a starring role in managing stress levels? You got it, sleep. You see, when you're stressed, your body releases a hormone called cortisol. Cortisol is often called the stress hormone, and it's essential for our survival, helping us respond to threats and challenges. However, when cortisol levels remain elevated for prolonged periods, it can lead to a whole host of problems, including anxiety, depression, weight gain, and weakened immunity. Here's where sleep swoops in like a superhero. During deep sleep, our bodies experience a significant dip in cortisol levels. In fact, studies have shown that deep sleep can slash cortisol levels by up to 50%. That's huge. By prioritizing quality sleep, you're essentially giving your body a chance to hit the reset button on stress. You're allowing cortisol levels to naturally decline, which in turn helps to calm your mind, improve your mood, and boost your resilience to stress. Wake up happy, the serotonin connection. Ever wake up feeling like you can conquer the world, ready to tackle anything that comes your way? That feeling of invincibility and boundless energy is something we all crave. Or maybe you've experienced the opposite, waking up on the wrong side of the bed, feeling grumpy and irritable for no apparent reason. It's like the day is off to a bad start even before it begins. Our mood upon waking can often be traced back to, you guessed it, our sleep. The quality and duration of our sleep play a crucial role in how we feel when we open our eyes in the morning. One of the key players in this mood regulation game is a neurotransmitter called serotonin. This chemical messenger is essential for maintaining our emotional balance. Serotonin is often referred to as the happy chemical because it plays a vital role in regulating mood, promoting feelings of well-being, and reducing anxiety. It's like a natural mood enhancer. Here's the cool part. Our brains are busy replenishing serotonin stores while we sleep. This process is crucial for our mental health and overall well-being. When we get enough sleep, particularly REM sleep, the stage of sleep where we dream, our brains are better able to produce and regulate serotonin, leading to a more balanced and positive mood upon waking. It's like hitting the reset button for our emotions. On the other hand, when we're sleep deprived, our serotonin production takes a hit. This can have a significant impact on our emotional state. This can leave us feeling emotionally depleted, irritable, and more susceptible to stress and anxiety. It's like trying to run on empty. It's like our emotional reserves are running on empty, making it harder to cope with daily challenges. So, if you want to wake up feeling refreshed, positive, and ready to embrace the day, prioritize those Z's. A good night's sleep is essential for maintaining our mental and emotional health. A good night's sleep is like a natural mood booster, helping to replenish those feel-good chemicals and set the stage for a happier, healthier you. So make sleep a priority and wake up to a brighter day. There you have it, the undeniable link between sleep and a thriving mind. It's not just about feeling less tired, it's about equipping yourself to handle everything life throws your way with more resilience, focus, and even happiness. Your mind thrives on sleep, so make it a non-negotiable priority. I'm curious, what's your secret to a good night's rest? Share your favorite bedtime routine in the comments below. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more science-backed wellness hacks just like this. Until next time, sweet dreams.